This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Incredibly updated and cared for home on a 0.32-acre lot. Spacious open floor plan with a nice sunken living room, huge kitchen with quartz counters, a gas range and tile floors flows into a cozy family room and a slider out to a large covered patio in the huge backyard west/a fire pit, custom garden/greenhouse, garden area and lots of room for the kids and pets to play. Master suite west/DBL closets and a nicely remodeled bathroom west/a walk-in shower. Remodeled main bath west/a jacuzzi tub. RV parking too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.